It is true there. The concept of ambiguousness is pretty important. You feel why I say so. The concept of ambiguousness is necessary as for you to be more fruitful. To breathe meaningfully is not easy. I tell you once again, to breathe meaningfully is not easy. The meaning of breathing variably shall be a way to live well philosophically. You have reason given. You're entitled to use reason to live well. Human beings are privileged to be rational existence through using reason given supernaturally. Talking of the state of ambiguousness, you don't know what to do next. You feel mysterious to go forth in the state of darkness. However, it is a blessing for you to experience doing something in the dark. All the time, human society is very much chaotic. In this chaos, on this planet, if you're going to be dedicated enough, you need to be very much careful to do anything you need. First, do you surely understand where you are now? First, you want to know where you are now. Without understanding of where you are now, you don't know how to take action. You shall have no idea what to do. Silently, I'd like you to hold communion with you. This means introspection is necessary for you to know where you are now, what kind of existence you are. If you're successful in holding communion with you, you understand what you need to do next. Tranquilly, I'd like you to hold communion with nature. Little by little, silently, I'd like you to deepen holding communion with nature through experiencing so. You come to understand where you're from. Where you're standing upon now. And where you're going eventually. This visualization gives you an opportunity to once again philosophically wake up. Very much naturally, you're guided to naturalize yourself in this process to go forth as one of human beings. You shall find a door for you to knock at. I'd like you to open it. Then you're guided to naturalize yourself as a matter of the ultimate in human existence. Experience the ultimate naturalization. This is my message to you all. The lecture shall be finished now.